Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I will be starting a series, 5 ways to make chicken wings. In part 1, I will show you how to make this very fast and delicious blackened chicken. It didn't stand a chance in my home and it was devoured in no time. Next week, I will be sharing part 2 of my chicken wing video, along with a second video, how to make homemade enchiladas, requested by one of my subscribers, Aspen Rupp Zimmerman. It is going to be so good. You don't want to miss this one. Lastly, I will also be sharing more information on my giveaway for celebrating my 300 plus subscribers. Thank you all so much. There will be 4 lucky winners that can each win a $25 gift certificate. Stay tuned for more details and information on my enchilada video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support.